Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. And the question I'm going to answer today is, does Google Docs to Word or Word to Google Docs work well? And before I show you some insights on that question, hit that subscribe button because I create these videos for you and I want them to get to you. So I created a simple doc just for an example. I've got a table of contents up here. I've got this format as heading 1, this format as heading 2, another heading 2. I put a small table in there with some data in it, and then I put an image in there. There's no hyperlink on the image. I guess I could have put a hyperlink in there. Then I put a bookmark down here for this right here, for this text. And then some basic text. No big deal. And then I saved it off as a Word document. Then I open it up in Word. In Word, this is what I get. My table of contents is up there. I can see my table of contents. If I click on that and how to right click on it, I can update the table of contents. And there's my your name, which is a heading 1. Set that for heading 1. There it is, H1. And I set Ronnie Reader for heading 2. There's H2. And test tables for reader. Heading 2 is there. Here's my very simple table. It came over fine. Here's my image. It came over fine above or below the green line, which is exactly what I had here. Below the green line. Where is it? Right there. And then, but this is interesting. I don't have a bookmark. I lost my bookmark. So I'm not sure why that didn't convert over, but it didn't. And then my regular text, except for it wants to spell check everything, converted over fine. So the bottom line answer to the question, Google Docs to Word works pretty well. Perfect? No. Resolvable problems? Yes. However, it works pretty well. And if it works that way pretty decently, then going the other way would work as easily or similarly as well. Perfect? No. Does it require you to review it and maybe make some adjustments? Absolutely. And I've learned over the years, been using Google Docs and Word for a long time now, rather than try to fight it, just know what I can do and know what I can't do and correct it when I transfer from one application to the other. Because they are not perfect in transferring back and forth between each other, my recommendation would be completely create your document in one or the other. And so you've got it to the degree you want it to be, i.e. final document, or as final as you can have it, before you transfer to the other application. I do not recommend trying to collaborate across platforms. That could be difficult to do. Again, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. If these ideas and information are helpful to you, please hit that subscribe button so I can get you more.